Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to get the list of a specific amount of files belonging to a specific extension using the Glob module inside Python. So it will list out all the files of a specific extension in a folder using a Glob pattern. So this is actually a very simple script here that we are only requesting a specific extension. Let me replace here .pdf. So it will search the entire directory right here, and it will only return the files which are ending with .pdf. So if I run the script here, so right here, if I run this, let me just delete this. So just right here python.app.py. So sorry, the extension, sorry, script name is python app.20.py. So it will fetch all the files which are ending with pdf. Here if you see, it has searched all this directory and it has splitted all the pdf files. This is the one pdf file, this is the second. So here it basically find out only the pdf files. So here you can replace it. Let's suppose I only want the csv file. So this glob pattern, this glob module will only request this CSV file. So it only generated basically find out this single file. So this is the glob module, which is very useful in finding or filtering out files belonging to a specific extension. So it, I think it comes within the Python default installation. So you can import this by using this module glob, or I think you need to install it as well. Just search it. Yeah, so it comes within the default installation, and then you specify whatever path, the extension of files you want to. This is a very basic pattern. Here we are only requesting files ending with .pdf. So there are also more advanced patterns as well of glob. So here we simply print out like this, on a single line we print out all the files. We use this function, and then we loop through each file you belonging to this glob pattern. By using this function, we get the path, make the recursive to be true, and we simply print out the file. So this is the overall script. You will see that. So this property here, recursive to true, it tells it to actually find out. Let's suppose if you have a directory right here. Inside this directory there is another PDF file which is present. So if I copy this file, copy this PDF file and paste it right here, then also this recursive property to true will make sure that it will search this PDF file as well. So you will see that it will also search this file as well. So this is actually the glob module, where you can actually find out files belonging to a specific extension. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.